Hey little kids, let's play a fun game together. It's called I Spy with My Little Eye. Let's go! I spy with my little eye something tiny that walks in a line. They work together all the time. What are they? They are ants. Well done! I spy with my little eye something that is hard and gray. It sits on the ground all day. What is it? It's a rock. Yay, amazing! I spy with my little eye something that flies and flutters by. It has wings with pretty colors. Can you guess the object? It's a butterfly. I spy with my little eye something tall with green leaves. Birds sit on it. It gives us shade. What is it? It's a tree. I spy with my little eye something that is green and says ribbit. It can live both in water and land. What is it? It's a frog. I spy with my little eye something red and round. It grows on a tree and it falls down. What is it? It's an apple. I spy with my little eye something brown. We open and close. It helps us go in and out. What is it? It's a door. I spy with my little eye something slow with a shell on its back. It leaves a trail where it goes. What is it? It's a snail. Hey kids, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.